Okay, this is the front entrance and the front door here. So you have a nice entryway. And this actual unit is right off the front gate. It's in the first building. So as you enter, I'll kind of give you a couple views here. You have everything turned on, music going. So here's your front entrance. And then we'll start by taking a peek at everything. So here you've got a nice coat closet right off the front door. Nice wood doors. And then you've got a nice high ceilings. And it's a pretty decent size living room area. So you do have views of the mountain, which is right out that picture window. But I will show you those from outside. It does have surround sound speakers. And then here's your formal dining area. So you have basically slate flooring here. Nice double sink. And regular garbage disposal. All sorts of cleaning stuff. Got Maytag dishwasher. We have nice crown molding on the cabinets that overlooks the front entry. You have a Samsung fridge. The slate floor is nice and in good shape. There's the microwave view. And then just another view of the whole area here. And then as we head this way, these floors are porcelain tile. And then this is going to be your master. It also has views. And this is actually pretty large pieces of furniture. So then you've also got slate flooring. You've got double sinks. You've got tiled countertops. And you have a nice walk-in shower, tiled. Kind of standard, decent size there. And then you've got a toilet. And then this is actually a door off of the main living area. So kind of sorry about that. Okay, another view. This is gonna be closet. So sorry about that. Just a nice, decent size walk-in closet. I'll get a little bit of views at the back. So that is the road that you drive in on that you can see. We're gonna head out here, back through the kitchen. And this is gonna be laundry room. Got a utility sink, cabinets. That should be a laundry chute. That back corner right there, that's what it looks like. So you have slate flooring in here as well. I do have a security system. And then this should be right off the garage here. And so, got a little bit of extended garage area. Water heater. looks like golf cart. It's for sale. And you've got pretty decent sized garage. So, and that curve is under the steps as we are gonna head up the stairwell. Now, so you come around the bend, front entry, and then the steps are actually, looks like an engineered wood. So you've got 3 different types of flooring. You've got the slate, and then here have a nice, there's a little soft spot in the floor. A game room area. So you've got a nice built-in. It's got a separate wine fridge. You've got a utility sink. Just got it pretty basic under there. Mini fridge. Looks like that's gonna be replaced. So here's a view of the loft, which looks like they've made a game room here. So that's a view where we came up the steps. We're gonna go off this wing. So we got nice doors throughout. So all the bathrooms, the same tiled countertops. And then this, you've just got regular tiled shower. Medicine cabinet. I've got some extra niche type shelving. And then this would be the second bedroom that we're taking a look at. So this has a small Romeo and Juliet balcony. And then just a regular closet. But without, kind of see if this will. So here's your Romeo and Juliet balcony. Right to the left on the other side of this garage is where the front gates are. So that's a roundabout. They are actually redoing all the roofs in the neighborhood. And then this is going to be the neighbor to the side. So coming back in. So it has a unique accented floor plan, which is kind of nice here. And then this area is the balcony. And with the sun, it's really hard to see out those windows, but when I go downstairs, you'll be able to see. And then this would be basically that second master, which this one you'd probably call your main master because it doesn't have an entrance to the bathroom, and you've got kind of more of a grand feel. So that's downstairs going to be the second master. And then the walls are actually wallpaper, I believe. And then this, you've got basically a snail shower. And here's another view here. Right, jacuzzi tub. And this should be another walk-in. So it's going to be more of a grand walk-in. We've got built-out closets. And then we're gonna walk out to this balcony. almost walked into that door. That was close. All right, so here you've got golf course, all the views behind the pool. So those are the views that you can see from the living room windows. And then this is a decent sized patio just right off that main master. So it basically has double doors, these glass doors, and then the inside door. Okay, so that's basically the upstairs and a tour of downstairs. Kind of a neat entry. All right, go back down the steps. So you have basically 3 different types of floors through here. Porcelain tile, slate, and like an engineered wood. And then here's kind of this accent piece. Pretty accent. And then we are gonna actually go to the downstairs patio. Here you've got a nice fireplace. Just like a faux fireplace. And this is actually wood, real wood. So, from this angle, here is your patio. Smoker. We have AC units that look like they're in good shape. So right here to our right is the main gate. And then this is the view of the nice covered patio. So that concludes the tour of Unit 2 at Tuscano Villas.